What are we doing here today?
We're doing a little interview.
What are you doing in your class today, I should say?
Well, I'm finishing up my dice right now. We were welding. We had to bend it, kind of break it, because I learned from my teacher that you can't actually bend metal, you have to break it.
Well, this is probably the best way to do your summer school because you're getting career-based skills and you're getting your content and you're seeing the connections on why you need to know do these things in your core content classes.
It was my first time. At first, like the first day, I was like kind of getting frustrated because I was like, I had to take time to like get good at it. Like the second time I came in, like I just perfected it. I don't know what it was. I just started getting good at it. That's when I started to like it.
Not at all. I never even thought that I would be able to do it. I was so scared of it when I first started. But now, it's so fun.
I would say that this model of summer school that we're doing is way more fun. I thoroughly enjoy having a co-teacher that shows me the connections that I'm already doing in my classroom and how I can bring them in and vice versa. It's not boring. It's just fun. It's exciting.
I like it's like you have to get your hand dirty. Like it was the first time like a class that I had to like really like get my hand dirty and like bring certain things.
I think I was put into the program. I didn't really know that I was going to summer school until school ended, and then I found out. I was kind of bummed about it, but then I started welding. Now I love coming.
It's a wonderful opportunity for all these kids. Like I said, we have culinary, we have farm to table, we have woodworking, and all these are connected.
Yes, it was a good experience. Better than most.
So it's all career skills and it's all what you need to know in order to succeed and graduate.